Welcome to episode 3 of the Bhagavad Gita Painter series. In this series, I focus on several key concepts, saints and values inspired by the Bhagavad Gita. This episode features Shakti and the Hindu trinity of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. In this painting, Shakti is shown as an aspect of Brahman, the absolute supreme reality giving birth to the Hindu trinity. The term Shakti refers to multiple ideas. Its general definition is dynamic energy that is responsible for creation, maintenance, and destruction of the universe. It is identified as female energy because Shakti is responsible for creation as mothers are responsible for birth. The first of the Trinity is Brahma, the creator. The second is Vishnu, the preserver, and the third, Shiva, the destroyer. Together they create the cosmic cycle of life, preservation, death, and rebirth. Behind the Trinity is a lotus flower, a symbol of purity, enlightenment, self-generation, and rebirth. Each of the masculine Trinity has a female counterpart. Brahma is complemented by Saraswati, because creation cannot be undertaken without knowledge. Vishnu is accompanied by Lakshmi, because preservation cannot be completed without resources. And Shiva is paired with Parvati, because destruction and transformation cannot be achieved without power. The power of Shakti is represented through the female form in many manifestations, including Durga, the warrior, Kali, the goddess of death, and Parvati, the goddess of fertility, love, beauty, and harmony.
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.